Co-ordination. Coordination in everyday life. Which game are the children in the picture above playing? They are playing kabaddi. When we play kabaddi, our arms, legs, eyes, ears and mouth all function together. In other words, the player coordinates the functions of all these organs properly while playing. External organs used for coordination. Which different parts of our body do we use while cycling? How do our ears help us while riding a bicycle through the traffic on a busy road? Our ears help us to hear the sound of the engine of any vehicle that is coming close from the back. Name the parts of the body that help to carry out each of these activities seen in the picture above. For cycling, we use our eyes to see, hands to balance, and legs to pedal. For stitching, we use our eyes, hands, and legs. For pouring water on plants, we use our hands and eyes. So what is coordination? A number of organs of the body work in harmony to carry out any task or activity smoothly. This is known as coordination. This coordination is brought about by the brain. Coordination between different organs is necessary to carry out even simple everyday tasks. What would happen if the functioning of your arms, legs, ears and eyes were not coordinated when you go to school? We will not be able to perform our daily activities at school. Coordination for various tasks. A baby is able to stand on its own legs only after it learns coordination. Coordination between many different organs is needed also to break a morsel of bhakri and to put it into one's mouth without letting it fall or without biting one's finger or tongue. Try to imagine what would happen if at some time this coordination failed. Coordination for internal organs. Our internal organs are at work continuously. Coordination is also needed between the different organs which carry out a function, like breathing, or which bring about the various actions of the process of digestion on the food we have eaten.